Your AirTalk Wireless phone number, also known as the MDN, is essential for calls, texts, and data. The easiest ways to find it are through the AirTalk Wireless app, your phone's settings, or by dialing a special code. Open the AirTalk app and go to My Account. Your number is displayed there. On iPhones, check Settings, General, About, Phone Number. On Android, it's usually under Settings, About Phone, Status, Phone Number, though this varies. Finally, you can dial 99. Your number will appear on screen or be read to you. If you can't find your number using the app or settings, first restart your phone and ensure your SIM card is properly inserted, if applicable. You can also find your number printed directly on the physical SIM card itself. As a last resort, log into your account at airtalkwireless.com or contact customer support for assistance. For eSIM users, the MDN is located in your phone's eSIM profile settings, accessible through cellular or network menus. If the 99 USSD code doesn't work, it could be due to a temporary network issue that should resolve soon. While app-based retrieval is now the most reliable method, these alternative approaches ensure you can always access your MDN when needed.